I'm at the Farnborough Show and I'm talking to Claudio Camilleri from Hot Aerospace. And here we have the model, Claudio. Tell me what I'm looking at.
So Edson, what you are looking at is the ES-30. The ES-30 is a regional battery electric airplane being developed by Hot Aerospace. The idea of this aircraft is that it will significantly reduce CO2 emissions for airlines, and at the same time bring a new paradigm in terms of operating costs. So we strongly believe that if we are able to bring to the market an airplane with low emissions and very low operating costs, this would allow airlines to reopen many of those regional routes that have been decommissioned over the past decades. So the ES-30 is a 30-seater airplane, typical regional configuration for the interior. But where the airplane really differs from other conventional airplanes is on the powertrain. So you can see here that the two inner motors, they have larger propellers. These are electric motors. And on the outer positions, we have conventional turboprops. So this is our hybrid system, which we call a reserve hybrid system. The idea of the aircraft is that on short sectors, it's only the electric motors that will be used. So on sectors up to 200 kilometers, the airplane is capable of doing zero emissions flying. It will taxi, take off, climb, cruise, descent, everything on the electric motors. And the turboprops, they are there as a backup, as I said, as a reserve hybrid system. On sectors that are longer than 200 kilometers, then we use the reserve hybrid system as a range extender. So these would be turned on during the cruise phase of the airplane and allow the aircraft to fly longer distances. With that, we are able to reduce emissions significantly and also reduce the operating costs of the airplane.
Which engine do you have in mind for the turboprop?
The turboprop our idea is off-the-shelf turboprop engines in the class of 1 megawatt. That's about 1,300 horsepower.
So
there are different engine suppliers that have
there's
offers
two
on that.
There's two, right?
There is.
Two. Okay. So either one of those would be an option?
Yes. Well, an option. We are talking to all of them.
Okay.
And identifying what's the solution that better fits the product.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.